Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. And today we got Kentucky Fried Meat. We got some meat chickens. They were at Tractor Supply for $1.50 a piece. And we got 30 birds. And we're gonna start all over again. And Tomcat is watching over them. Tomcat! Tomcat! Say hi to people. Hi, Tomcat. Tomcat loves the birds. He grew up in a farm with birds. And little Michelle is jumping up and down. Do you like the birds, Michelle? Yeah, you like the birds. Huh? She's watching the birds. So, here we go again. New beginnings on the homestead, everybody. Starting to raise more meat birds. It's February 22nd, I think it is today. And these will last about 2 to 3 months before they get into the freezer. So a lot of people wanted to see us start something new for the spring, and here it is. And they have a happy little cat watching over them with love. And a happy little girl that's going to play with them, aren't you? Huh? And no more cold feet for me. On sale at Tractor Supply. And I've already used them going out cut firewood. So, happiness for my feet. Morning, everybody. This is 100% off-grid chicken raising. No lights, no heat, well, no fake form of electricity or energy or heat. I got them in a smaller box for the night. Now they're going to outgrow this in about 2-3 days. This was temporary to get us going. They were going to get a box that fits the bottom of this cage. But for the first night, there's all the birdies. And when they're 1 or 2 days old, they don't move around too much. But in a couple days, they're going to get very active. So this is extremely temporary at best. But they get access to food and water, and they're huddled up for warmth. And again, this is extremely temporary. This is only for the first couple days. When they're very, very fragile, they need to huddle up more for warmth. In nature, they would be huddled up under the mother. So don't think that they're crowded in this condition, because that's how they want to be right now anyway. And then for warmth, we left the wood stove door open. And let me see here. There's some light on it. We left the wood stove door open for warmth, and the cage here is right close to the wood stove. So now at night we damp down that wood stove pretty far, and it doesn't get really warm in here at night, but still I think it's about 70, and with that really close here, the birds were fine, and they made it through the night with no extra heat source. So there's truly off-grid chicken raising, chick brooding.